Hello again. So today we're going to do a graphing question. So we have a question 16 of Queensland, so QCAA, External Assessment 2022, Paper 1. So this is a sine and cosine graph given, that's given. So we got two graphs. One is representing the first derivative, and the other one was the second derivative. But which one is which, we don't know. Now, but we need to find what is the original function. So this question is given. So given two graphs, one is f dash, the other one is second derivative, but we need to determine what is the original function. All right, so what we do is we're going to start with find out which one's first derivative and which one's the second derivative. We got continue lines and one got the dot lines. Before I start, please remember to subscribe the channel and to continue support the growth of this channel. And also, please give us the thumbs up when you finish watching and support the community of this channel as well. Thank you for that. Okay, first I'm going to assume the first continue the graph as sine. So because you look like a sine curve, then I'm going to decide A, B, C, D as coefficients. So first A is -3, which is the amplitude is -3. Why is negative? Because it's upside down. So then we're going to decide what is the period before I decide what B is. So because B determined by the period are using capital T. Now our desire was 4 pi over 3. Why? Because if I work it out, I have a 20, this is from here to there, 6 boxes. So we can see altogether it's 24 boxes. So we got 22 pi in total length divided by 24. So each box, each unit is representing pi over 12. So therefore, this key point, this is the first period, first cycle. So stop at pi plus pi times by pi over 12, so pi over 3. So pi over 3, which is 4 pi over 3. So that's why I work out the period is 4 pi over 3. So t equal to 4 pi over 3. So then for the formula 2 pi divided by b is 4 pi over 3. So b work out 3 over 2. Now we also recognize C is no shift, no horizontal shift, so C is 0, and no median value is 0 as well. So therefore, my first function, which is the continued line, is -3 sine 3 over 2x. So second, the dot line are using the cosine. And also I decided the negative amplitude for 4.5. The period stays same, so B will be the same. Again, C, D is 0, so therefore the second equation I work out was cosine 4.5 times by cosine 3 over 2x. Now, since if I differentiate the first y, if I differentiated the first one, so I'm going to use the differentiation of the first one. So I work it out, it's same as, so first the differentiation is the work out as is equation 2. So that's a function 2. So therefore, the first derivative is the equation 1. So therefore, the second derivative is the equation number 2. So therefore, I'm going to find the original function. I'm using the first derivative, which is -3 sine 3 over 2x. So we integrate it to this. So that's my fx, but we need to decide what c is. So given that when the function equal to 0, so the amplitude is 2, so I'm going to find the c was 0. So therefore, my fx is the original function is 2 cosine 3 over 2 x. Now the question says we need to sketch the graph for the original function. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to mark some points on the same graph. So I'm going to use some key points first. The 2, next one is 0. Next one is -2, 0 again, +2, 0, then come back to -2. So I'm going to use let's use graph the green color. So I'm going to use green color to join those dots. So that's the one was the fx equal to 2 cosine 3 over 2x. That's it. That's the graphing question using first and the second derivative from the original function. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.